To another series of videos of hair hacks. Take two parts of your hair, then take one part, making it pigtails by taking small strands of your hair from the front part of your face. Give it a fluffy look just like this by pulling out strands. Tie both the ends properly. Take your part of the hair, divide it into two, take your favorite ribbon and then unstrangle it with few parts of your hair, giving it a pigtaily look. See how pretty it looks? Roll it and yeah, you're good to go. Take one part of your hair, pull out a rubber band and then pull out another, making it look like this. Then take your favorite bow, tie it in the form of pigtail, roll it upwards in a circle. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, then again put a bow on one another, giving it a pigtaily look. Take the next part of your hair, divide it into two, repeat the same process as advised in the previous one, then take all the parts and tie it properly just like this. Roll it and secure it tightly. Take one part of your hair, repeat the same process with your favorite bow and then give it a pigtaily look by tying plaits from all ends of your hair just like this. See how pretty and cute it looks. Take one part of your hair, divide it, roll it and make a plait out of it just as shown in the video. It should be neat and clean so that it looks beautiful. Take it and attach it with the other part, pulling it inside through the rubber band, giving it a bowy look. Take another part of your hair, repeat the same process but make it look bigger. See, the pigtail should be clean to give it a fluffy look. Pull out the pigtail through the gap, roll it and yeah, you're good to go. Do your tail in a half ponytail. Take 3 strands, do small pigtails out of it, roll it and give it a bowy look. Take one end and make a cute small pigtail out of it. Part of the hair, tie small thin pigtail out of it and roll it. Then take another part of your hair, tie another pigtail out of it, make 4 to 5 pigtails, roll it upwards, secure it properly with a rubber band. Thanks for watching.